Hi guys, Cameron here from Cameron's Transport Channel. Today we're on the Metro replacement 900 towards West Jesmond, just on the centre motorway, about to go under the bridge. So we're next stop at Jesmond. We're about to go under this part of the bridge. Here we are. I don't know how a double-decker bus can fit under here, but apparently can. And then that's 87 to New Big and Horton. The first time we're down here on it. It's kind of a loss. It's kind of stuck in traffic, so I'll see you after this station. Oh, by the way guys, we've actually got an empty top deck. It's an Enviro 400 MMC 10653, the plain one. Plain Stagecoach one, which I like because it doesn't have the bus people rounding around. So West Jesmond we're heading to the station after this, going on Darsbourne Road. Well, anyway guys, I think I'll just do the return journey on this anyway, so I might make a part 2 anyway, so don't forget to like and subscribe. Goodbye.